8 months and 5 days away from winning Legion Sports Fest 2024. It's my first ever bodybuilding competition. I am Super Beast Girl, aka Justina Schuyler. Let's do this. Happy with myself already. Mentally, I'm in a good space. Emotionally and spiritually. So those are all things to consider if you want to compete in anything, but especially a sport like bodybuilding, where it really is a test of your mental capabilities. And body dysmorphia is like a real thing, just in the gym culture in general these days. I wouldn't say I have them figured out, but they're pretty solid. I'm not in an unstable place. This is something I couldn't have done if I didn't have a job and I was looking for a job. And I specifically chose to do this competition now because I feel like everything has kind of laid the foundation for me to be able to put my focus in this arena and really dedicate the effort it's going to take to win this. You know, sometimes you're so scared of the goal that you never actually take the leap to committing to the goal, and it just remains an idea. But it's no longer just an idea now. It's no longer, oh, maybe someday. No, I'm doing it, and I'm gonna win. So it's exciting. Okay, we are on day 3 of the journey, and I am working on registering for the competition because I actually haven't done that yet. So, oops, haven't done that yet, and it's proving to be a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But I just ended up emailing Center Podium asking for help because I can find where I can buy tickets to the expo and to the show and everything, but not to actually register as a competitor. And that's what I gotta do. So I guess I have to buy an NPC card to actually compete. And then once I buy the NPC card, which will last for the whole season through 2025 or something like that, then I can register for Legion Sports Fest specifically. Don't have a suit. I've never tried posing. I don't have shoes. I would have to pay for hair and makeup and all this other stuff on top of getting the shoes and the suit and everything, and it's like, oh, this is already a lot. Well, today was a rest day, which I haven't taken a intentional rest day in a really long time, so definitely a little bit uncomfortable, but definitely very much appreciated because I'm starting to get a sore throat. I don't want to get sick. I have so much excitement and momentum going right now. So.
Well, my sore throat is definitely worse this morning. But I got 10 hours of sleep. And outside of just having a sore throat, there's really nothing else going on. I'll be able to hit my 3rd workout, and I think I'll do good. I stayed home from work today because I'm not getting better, but I got lots of sleep. Only thing is I'm really dehydrated, so other than that, I do feel better, and I do think I feel good enough that I can go to Reno tomorrow and do the convention at the Nugget. So, well, unfortunately, we had to leave early because I'm really, really sick. I thought I was going to be okay today, but I just keep getting worse. The congestion in my nose is so bad right now. I really am looking forward to resting tomorrow, and I hope I can go to work on Monday, but yeah, this whatever this is that I've got is just kicking my ass right now. I am still super sick.
But here I am in the kitchen, meal prepping for the week.
It's actually been a week since I got my sore throat. My energy is back, but I still got a seemingly endless amount of phlegm, and as you can tell from my voice, I still sound sick, even though I feel fine. I could probably go to the gym tonight, because now I have an issue with my back that has come out of seemingly nowhere. Obviously, things don't just happen out of nowhere, so this got aggravated at some point. I haven't been working out, so I don't exactly know how or when this happened, and it's just on my left side. And when I shift onto my left leg, it shoots pain into my lower back. So I gotta figure that out, otherwise I might be putting off my workouts again, and I am really looking forward to working out, so I'm really starting to struggle, you know.
I need to pace myself when it comes to this whole drinking a gallon of water thing that I'm doing, because I'm spending so much of my time peeing these days. I am down to 155 this morning. It's snowing right now. And I am out here walking in it because I didn't meet my step count. So I gotta walk outside in the snow for like 4,000 steps. Well, as you can see, there is a ton of snow outside. We went to Reno today, and we are currently at Fitness Connection, and I have never been to this gym before, so I'm pretty excited to do my workout. It'll be the first time that I have done a workout since I got sick, so we'll see how this actually goes. It's always fun using different machines I'm not used to, because it takes a second to figure it out. We have hoist at my gym, but not these ones, and this is different, and it like rocks. And it's like, it kind of scared me the first time I tried to use it.
I am definitely not used to using this kind of Smith machine. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I definitely got a good workout in using this, and I kind of wish my gym had a Smith machine like this, but that kind of makes going to other gyms really fun, is getting to use machines that I don't have at home. Something I absolutely love about going to different gyms as well is getting to do stuff like this, because it's novel and different and it's fun. I haven't done monkey bars since I was a kid, and this was really hard, and it was really fun. And fun fact about me, I used to do martial arts back in the day. I did some jiu-jitsu for a couple of years, so getting to do some stuff on this little bag kind of brought me back to my days doing that.
They're closed. Yeah. You got stuff in the locker room? Yeah. You got haul ass.
So, I work at a hospital in IT, and I just got done helping the ER doctor with their password change. And I'm limping around today because I am so sore from my workout on Sunday. I worked out so hard, and she legit was like, "You might have rhabdo. You might have overworked yourself a little bit. Drink some water, take some ibuprofen." I'm like, this is a totally different kind of sore. I've never been this sore in my life. I pushed to failure. I really pushed to failure, like in a way I never have before. So yeah, I don't know, like we're 33 weeks out, so I have time, but like at the same time I feel the pressure, like I don't have time, you know? I've only got a certain period of like potential muscle gain, which is that period right now. And then once that time is up, it'll be cut, and just try to maintain and
go about losing as little muscle mass as possible. So
I am eating the same thing every single day, including lots of egg whites and regular eggs, which I'm eating the 2 regular eggs now. I think I might have read this wrong. I don't know. Someone on one of my bikini bodybuilding competition groups suggested cooking the eggs and adding cinnamon and sugar to them, the egg whites, to make them sweeter. And I just tried it, and I gotta say, not for me. I think I'll keep having my eggs savory. That's definitely what I am gonna do. My shoes for competition, the Shoe Fairy. They're the best of the best, so let's take a look at these. And I need to start posing sooner than later, so I should have opened these up when I got them, but oh well. We're doing it now. So there's some really strict stipulations with competing. They want you to wear the clear shoes, so clear shoes it is. I've never worn shoes like this before. A lot of people say they're uncomfortable, but of all the brands, I guess Shoe Fairy is the most comfortable. So I'm looking forward to trying these on and wearing them. So that's what they look like. I forget already which version I got. They have so many. Pretty crazy heel. I don't think I've ever worn heels this big before. So I'm definitely going to spend some time practicing in these and making sure I don't fall on my ass. I'm doing some meal prep right now, and while I am doing it, I just put on my heels, and I'm just walking around my kitchen, cooking and doing my thing while practicing wearing these heels, because they are crazy. Look at those heels, man. That's no joke. It's no joke. I gotta get used to this. With my progress, honestly, my progress has been phenomenal. 17 pounds down since the 1st of January. I lost 3.5 pounds last week. I actually forgot to weigh myself again this morning. Bad Justina. Things happen with our truck battery dying and needing to walk home because my husband needed the truck to get to work and I had to drop it off for him. And I get home and it's just like, I didn't eat my chicken, I didn't eat all the egg whites, I didn't eat my vegetables. Gotta do what I gotta do. And I know in order to win, I have to check all these boxes. I knew this was gonna be a mental game. I knew this was gonna be a mental thing. It's not really a physical thing right now. I'm not physically hungry. I'm not physically craving things too much. Besides chocolate, I crave chocolate all the time. Don't mind me and my messy ass kitchen. Yeah, so I'm starting to really get tired of egg whites, but what I have recently discovered is that meringue cookies are just egg whites and sugar. And you know what I got? Got that monk fruit sweetener, which is 0 calories. So guess what I'm doing tonight? I'm making myself some egg white cookies instead of eating scrambled eggs for the 50th time. It feels like it's probably not even 50 days yet, but me and myself and I want to have something different, so we're giving this a whirl. I'm so excited for this. Well, I think I probably need to change directions because this is definitely too soupy to make into a meringue. So instead, I'm going to be putting this into a waffle maker. Oh my gosh. This is the adventure of cooking with Justina. Wow. I am impressed. That looks tasty. Let's take it out and give it a try. It's like the thinnest little waffle ever, but it looks tasty, so we're going to give it a shot. This is really good. Very satisfied with the result of this experiment. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. As long as it's still edible, that's all that matters, right? I'm kind of wondering if I should just get a posing coach now or like pay for a few sessions with a posing coach now just so I have some place to start, because I am definitely at the point where I'm putting off doing posing just because it's uncomfortable and I don't know what I'm doing. And I need to not be doing that. The sooner I get practicing and doing it and getting out of that discomfort and really starting to get good at it, that is how I'm going to win. What I'm doing right now is not winner behavior.